Welcome back to North London Toyota, everyone. Just asked for Scott here with this week's spotlight, a 2017 Toyota Corolla SE upgrade in this beautiful Barcelona red metallic. I'm going to point out a few features here that set the SE upgrade apart from a regular Corolla. You can see the more aggressive front fascia turning into the fog lights as well, and we have the aggressive 17-inch alloy wheels, sunroof up top, and if you follow me around back, I'll show you more. So around back we have this color match trunk lid spoiler, chrome exhaust tip, but even with your SE upgrade package, there's no sacrifice on cargo space. The differences continue inside the vehicle, as you'll notice blue trim on the door cards, the seats, and these seats are the leather wrapped sport trim seats as well. The other sporty feature you might notice in your SEs is the paddle shifters here on the steering wheel for those spirited and sporty drives. You still have all your standard Corolla features, including heated seats, backup camera, auxiliary input, Bluetooth audio, and Toyota Safety Sense. I wanted to show you guys under the hood of this vehicle because this one actually has only 26,000 kilometers on it. Came to us from the original owner. It's a Toyota service vehicle with accident-free claims history. What you're looking at is our 1.8 liter 4-cylinder. It's dependable, it's reliable, and when it's mated to the CVT, it's incredibly fuel efficient. So if you'd like to test drive this 2017 Corolla SE upgrade or any of our other new or pre-owned vehicles, reach out to us today at northlondontoyota.com or give us a call, 519-451-3880. But either way you do it, make sure you just ask for Scott.